Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. We'll continue with the clothes we wear. Okay, as we have already started with the types of clothes, so a little bit of revision we'll be doing, a quick recap, and then we'll continue. Okay, and for this, I need to reduce this. Do you want me? Yes. Now we'll talk about the types of clothes. As I told you that we wear different type of clothes and we see all so many different types of clothes, and clothes is very important for us. है ना? It protect us from the heat, rain and cold. That is what we have studied, children. Then there are types of clothes we have. I have taught you about the actually first three main seasons. I have taught you the three main seasons are summer, rainy and winter, and accordingly we wear the clothes as per the season, है ना? Now so we wear summer clothes, we wear winter clothes, we wear rainy clothes, we use rainy clothes, है ना? And we have done with the two season, that is the summer and the winter season, है ना? Now the winter season is going on, children, है ना? Now let us see and let us study over here. I'll remove this. Now see, children, we have studied about the three different season. Okay, then the clothes as per the season, children. Now in the summer, what we have studied, that we wear the light cotton clothes because the cotton clothes makes us cool. And I taught you how it is made. We get cotton from the cotton plant. Do you remember, children? Now some of the cotton clothes, see here the pictures I have shown you here. Now let us see. Now before this, I have taught you in the previous video that the cotton is spun into yarn. Look at the first pic over here. The cotton is spun into yarn. Yarn means thread banta hai usse. Then it is dyed, means it is put in the various colors. The various colors are given to the thread. From the cotton we make the cotton thread. From the cotton thread we make the cotton cloth. From cotton cloth we make the clothes. This we have done. Then we have learned about the woolen clothes, beta. In the woolen clothes we wear the all type of like woolen clothes like a pullover, है ना? Winter jacket, sweater, gloves, muffler, woolen cap, isn't it? And from where we get the wool? We get the wool from the sheep, है ना? And then we get the white color. Then it has been dyed, means different color is given. Then out of that we make the sweater, है ना? We need the sweater. Now do you know, children, it's not only the shape from whom we get the wool. It is the camel and the rabbit hair is also used to make the warm clothes. This particular type of the camel is there which has a thick hair, and this they remove the hair, and then the hair is woven into thread, and from the thread, that is how the cloth is made. Same with the rabbit. So furry fur, the soft hair of the rabbit is used to make a thread. From the thread they make the cloth, children. So please remember that the camel and the rabbit hair is also used to make the warm clothes. Now we'll talk about the silk and the leather clothes. You know about the silk and the leather, beta. Your bags, your purse, your belt is all made up of leather, है ना? Now first we'll begin with the silk. Now you have learned that poem in the pre-primary, na? Here we go, the mulberry bush. The mulberry bush. Do you know the silk? The silkworm. We get silk from the silkworm. These are the silkworm. And the silkworm, they feed this leaf, which you know this. The poem आप जो mulberry leaf mulberry गाते थे ना, the here we go around the mulberry bush. Bush है mulberry का झाड़. तो mulberry leaves खाते हैं ये जो silkworms होते हैं. This is how they look. Then उसका cocoon बनता है. They make a thread around themselves, you know, that is called as a cocoon stage. And then they are put in the water, hot water. The thread is removed. ये जो thread remove करते हैं. Okay, the thread is made, the silk thread. Then different colors have been given to them. It is dyed, and then that is how we get the silk cloth. From silk cloth we get the silk sari, and so on. Then you make a dress material. Okay. Now this is a very sad part. I don't like to say all these things. Yes, we use the leather, but the leather is made from the animal skin, like buffalo, camel, snake, crocodile. The leather we get from the skin. Sometimes they remove the skin, the live animals, you know, It's very pathetic. You know, I don't want to tell you also, discuss also. That's it. You just remember that the leather is made from the animal skin. A very sad part, children. And then it is made from this animal hide. Animal hide means the skin. Hide को skin बोलते हैं. And from the buffalo, camels, snakes, and the crocodile. And this is the leather. And from the leather, we make the leather jacket. We make the leather belt. We make the leather purse also. The leather shoes are being made with that. Okay, children? Huh. Now, as I'm talking about the clothes, now I would like to share something with you, or I want to motivate you that do you think it is correct to give the old clothes to the children who don't have any clothes, beta? है ना? Is it right ना? Which the clothes which we don't wear, है ना? So please try to give it to the poor people, beta, so that even they'll have a smile on their face. It's a winter time going on. If you have old woolen clothes and the clothes, please share this with the needy people, beta. Okay.